Spotlight Chicago is sponsored by Wear Eyewear.
From routine exams to managing complex ocular conditions, Wear Eyewear is dedicated to clinical excellence.
Their providers recognize that every patient has unique vision care needs and work to deliver the best eye care possible. Take a look.
I'm Alexander Pitts, a board-certified optometrist here at Wear Eyewear in River North. I wanted to become an optometrist ever since I got glasses when I was a little kid. I just saw the huge difference that it made for myself. And then throughout life, I've been able to impact several people's vision. And the eyes are kind of a window to your whole health. And so I feel really lucky to be able to help people see clearly, but also help them in their overall systemic health. Now that we're nearing the end of 2025, it's important for you to come in and use your vision benefits. Benefits typically roll over for most patients at January 1. So it's a great time for you to come in. My staff can help you maximize your benefits. Our team is fantastic at figuring out your insurance, knowing the coverage that you have, and explaining that to you in a way that makes sense. Insurance can be really confusing, and so we try to always make sure that you're understanding that to the best of your knowledge. So it's recommended that people get annual eye exams, whether they have a prescription, have an old prescription, or are noticing no changes in their vision at all. We recommend annual eye exams simply to check out the health of the eyes and provide a comprehensive look at that. We can show you the difference between your prescription, that what I'm finding today, and the old prescription just with the touch of a button. A comprehensive eye exam is way more than just 1 and 2, like a lot of people think. We are looking at your eye health. Part of your comprehensive exam is getting an auto refraction. That's just going to give us an estimate of your prescription. We have some of the latest and greatest technology to help us do that. We also do the eye keratinometer, which helps us check out the eye pressure without any use of eye drops or that scary puff of air that people usually don't like. The other thing that we do is retinal imaging. We have the Optos machine here, which is fantastic. And that helps us take a look at your systemic health. The eye is actually the only spot in the whole body that we can see exposed blood vessels. And so with that, we're always looking for things like high blood pressure, diabetes, even different types of cancer can be seen in the eye before it's tested other places. All that is kind of what we offer for our comprehensive exams. And then for more advanced cases, or if there is disease that we're following, we also have an OCT, or an optical coherence tomographer. This scan gives us a 3D image of the back of the eye and helps you look at all the different layers of an optic nerve, as well as the retina. And one thing we have that not a lot of other offices have is a virtual reality headset to check your visual field. Checking the visual field is important to measure your peripheral vision, make sure there's no damage from neurological conditions, and that's just something that we offer our patients here. A lot of eye conditions aren't detectable with symptoms before their problems. So things like macular degeneration, glaucoma, cataracts can all be asymptomatic until you come in and we check it out and we know, hey, this is starting, and we want to take good care of you and make sure that things aren't going to progress or get worse. We do co-management of care with a lot of other optometrists and ophthalmologists in the area. I've worked really hard to build a relationship and a network of great providers. So if you need things that I can't provide, like refractive surgery, LASIK, cataract surgery, or specialty care, I know some of the best and greatest eye care providers in the area to help you with that. Of course, part of your comprehensive eye exam is also getting you a great glasses and contact lens prescription. We work with all the major contact lens manufacturers to make sure that you have the latest and greatest trials in office. Wear Eyewear is a boutique. We offer frames like Chanel, Tom Ford, Ray-Ban. We have something for everybody. I know it can be hard to come in, for an in-person exam, but with our online flexible scheduling and convenient River North location, we try to make it easy for you to give us just 30 minutes of your time. That can really improve your vision and set you up for success in 2026. My goal as an optometrist is to be your friendly neighborhood eye doctor, to be your first resource for all things eyes, and a place where you can come if you ever have any questions or need some direction, or if you're struggling with your sight in any sort of way. I love getting to know my patients and strive to provide inclusive care that is personalized and tailored to their needs.
For more information, just scan the QR code or call the number on your screen. You can also head to weareyewear-chicago.com.